Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve code management with GitHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a GitHub account if you don't have one. Visit github.com and click on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to set up your username, email, and password. Once your account is created, log into your GitHub profile. On your dashboard, look for the green New button to create a new repository. Enter a name for your repository. You can add a description to let others know what your project is about. Choose the visibility of the repository, either public or private. Decide if you want to initialize the repository with a README file. Click the Create Repository button to finish setting it up. Now, open your terminal or command prompt on your computer. Navigate to the directory where you want to store your project. Use the command git init to initialize a local Git repository. Next, link your local repository to your GitHub repository using the command git remote add origin https://github.com/your-username/your-repository.git. Replace your username and your repository with your actual username and repository name. Create files for your project and add them to your local repository. Use git add to stage all the files you created. To commit your changes, type git commit m initial commit. This command saves your changes with a message describing what you did. Next, push your local commits to GitHub using git push origin main. Make sure you're on the correct branch, usually main or master. To update your repository later, use git add, git commit, and git push again. If you want to collaborate with others, go to your GitHub repository page. Click on the Settings tab and scroll to Manage Access. Invite collaborators by entering their. When they accept your invitation, they can contribute to your project. To keep your project organized, create branches for new features or fixes. Use git checkout b new feature to create and switch to a new branch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.